Halito ilache. Happy podcast pa falama digidi letko lache. Nana ugli mi jiragarakos. Hashito china pa I taku figurante dok. Hikia nana ugli mi jigado Allah dogma ugli ma bache. Hicha ayup sachito yumega ugli tong saledok. Hemat happy batong salid ailama linguist atia ugli tiba nachinedok. Conference up in Mashadok. Hikia kana tafat ila happy batadoko happy batch quadago yama happy hojifo ugli timanolaje. Such a hoto Palmer Johnson's, yeah.
Halito sahoche for Jason Lewis.
Halito sahoche for Peggy Williams.
Halito sahoche for Ato Priscilla Williams.
Halito sahoche for yet Abriana Tubby.
Halito sahoche for yet Kimberly Thompson.
Hibatong sali himunat alargo hochipo 18 magatache Abriana Tubby.
Halito Kafi Hashi manolila. Kafi Hashi sassafras man. Noholo emonopaya Kafi Hashi at sassafras man. Hopaki ochash chataya Kafi iti access kule kochale cha honirogla iskuata. Hemakashi omeo ma iti hishi lawa aragon Ethiopia accessonoka alota kania okla yimeto. Anupa pa Kafi amitikyo. Chata anupa tagafi agile galgon. Yoshkololeche magachikash Kafi ache.
In English, Kafi Hashi is sassafras month. Long time ago, Choctaws would dig up and take out the sassafras roots to boil and drink. They believed that about this time of the month, when there are a lot of sassafras leaves on the tree, the sap inside the roots is very full. The word coffee does not come from coffee, but from the Choctaw word for scoop or dip out. It has been shortened to say coffee.
Kafi Hashi nitak fina. Ela pula nitak. Na yukakyo ka nitak.
Independence Day.
Chata ayo pisa chito.
Choctaw Indian Bear.
Kafi Hashi in chunga falaya. Oka chito la paleka kanuma is abinachio.
Have you gone camping at the beach somewhere?
Chata ayo pisa chito ma hachipinsa la chike.
Hope to see you all at the Choctaw Indian Fair.
Kafi Hashi imma anupa. Kocha.
Outside.
Basua.
Stripes.
Pichik.
Star.
Tigba higia. Pelichi.
Leader.
Chata hitha.
Choctaw dances.
Ohoyo in bita.
Princess Crown.
Binache.
Camping.
Inua aya.
To visit.
Itanuwa aya. Kani nua. Kanuma nua.
Travel.
Okachito la paleka.
Beach.
Anato Takkon Hashi I no punilache. Naholo manopaya Takkon Hashi at Peachmat. Hashi pa Takkon at nunat taha atoko chatatia yat amot ugla apatok. Nanani yako ugla ayi pahosh ugla okchaya atokos. Hashi tuchina okano nanani hochi fotok. Yamad bihi bisa hicha Takkon Hashi. Naholo ya apple huchifo mato Takkon chito.
In English, Takkon Hashi is peach month. This month, the peach would be ripe and the Choctaw people would pick and eat them. They had survived by eating the fruits, so the 3 months were named after the fruits mulberry, blackberry, and peach. Takkon Chito is the name for apple.
Takkon Hashi nitak fina holiso apisa hikitia.
School begins.
Nani waya nitak.
Nani Waya Day.
Takkon Hashi in chunwa falaya. Luka moma ati fata pothe.
Wash all the clothes and fold them.
Allama Takkon apa athika lufe.
Before that child eats the peach, peel it.
Takkon Hashi imanopa. Ishtaomalayati akmo.
Crayons.
Shkachaya, shkachili, shkalasha.
Scissors.
Baluka.
Pants.
Pukalumbu.
Shirt.
Luka, iluka.
Dress.
Nafuka, luka, iluka, ilifuka.
Clothes.
Yabuski.
Socks.
Shiki fanash.
Blueberry or huckleberry.
Shukshi.
Watermelon.
Takkon kubish.
Pear.
Magala.
Hopóni Hashi imma ishtannoa chimano laje ting barno. Na holle manopa ya Hopóni Hashi at cooking-mal. Hopaki ochaj, ogla chatayat unafayat alaji hoga ogla Hopóni chito atok. Illi pa shililichi hija botolichi yomit tahlija ogla apaji hogat kani ogla ashachi atok. Na holukchi ya palaska lawajit ogla ishtigbicha. Na pua nipi yomiga ogla shililichi atok. Tajbuta hija tubiya banaha lawajit ogla isht igbito gogmat. Unafa unakma ogla apahila atok. In English, Hopóni Hashi is cooking month. Long time ago, when winter was coming, Choctaw people would do a lot of cooking. They dried and ground the food and store it so they could eat it later. They made a lot of bread with plants, and they would cure those animal meats. They would make a lot of banaha with cornmeal and bean, so when winter came, they could eat them. Hopóni Hashi na fina nitak. Pilisa I nitak Labor Day. Onafapi ikit iya first day of fall. Ogloshi atiha I nitak American Indian Day. Hopóni Hashi ishtahubachi anno pachafa. Allah atihaya hashtap shahlehosh maya. The kids are raking the leaves. Afo tamaha iya chinna tokya. Grandpa, do you want to go to town? Hopóni Hashi imma anopa.
Palaska, baking pan. Palaska maha, bread pan. Shukshubak, gourd. Tiak iti, pine tree. Tiak ani, pine cone. Apila, to help. Ipuk Allah, grandchild. Isito huluba lakna, squash. Kalach, collards. Tunap, turnips.
Napanaglo amanta. Example
Kadash chimatahu.
amanta.
Usually,
Napanaglo. Napanaglo
Napanaglo
amanta.
amasha haje. Napanaglo
Napanaglo
amasha.
achafa makila amanta.
oh,
Example sentence ma. Afo tamaha ia china tokia. It's not just do you want to go to town? Is it
is it
something
would
else?
you rather? Would you rather go to town?
Mm.
Would you rather go to town?
Oh, okay. I was wondering about Tokia. Is that how you Tosholi it, Priscilla?
Well, mine was 2 Ks.
Tokia.
Afo tamaha iya chinna tokya. Like he wanted to in the past already. It's been.
Oh, so like, have you been wanting to go to town?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Inilakato.
Okay, I'm going to speak briefly about two things. The first is our Tikshanili, the Chata Anopa Tikshanili that we're working on. The last week of September, the 25th through the 29th, we're going to have our web designer do community presentations about this dictionary website we're working on. And you can see right now we have it on the Choctaw side. This is a bilingual dictionary with the Modern Mississippi Choctaw. And it's pretty neat right now. There's just a list of words. And at the top, you can see Na Anopa Alhíha, the languages that it's in. Start here. Higitia, Dictionalia Hoyo, I like this one. So like you can go to different categories and look for things like ano pa manata omelaya liha homa lakanata. And so our web designer is going to be getting feedback from the schools, the teachers, the language teachers at all the schools, and then hopefully we're going to have a community-wide meeting on Thursday night, the 28th of September. So once we have the info, we'll send it out, and we invite you to come see and give feedback on our new language dictionary that should be published at the beginning of next year, 2024. Tiksinilima natasanokfili pama.
Nataho.
Tiksinilima is pinsa.
Pinsalera workshop ma papimashagashma. Limited to atama lera kanata p ano panana kya ikanatsinang nana ishtagotigma type of ishtagotigma hayaka cha Choctaw cha English haragma hergo atugma tiagin sayemenata.
I momaga apila anaro chata chata interviews la moga to show le apila le hecha hi bole nata ishmiche
Akchukano snargache.
oh dictionary ikbi dictionary ma ikbi cut it ish apila cut it ish apila
Oh, katiti sapila hicha hargo.
hecha
Ano pa kanimikat ogla liti hopachikiergo nata kanimagash imas pisa hawak ma ano pa pitapila chile na kana hinsali algano kiagin yo gospi ano pa gospi ti humbak ma ogla hilitapila.
Priscilla chishnado ish apila
Dictionary ma atugmagine ano palawaga ato higa ano pathiha ma kanomiga hagluli tukyuga hagluliga kanale anagini mako ano pe kanale he chanote makachi menaga apila je ano pa is maka ishong belle dogma yama makacha je ano panana dogma hedogo yomigat apila hene chiga kostini cho hokmat yomi mi je de siang do achuma hecha anote ano pa yarogmat ishtahubachi takomaya mat apila ano pa falaya chafat nanu gadogma ang tali dogma ko nahulwa dogmat takochi dogma no chatama ishmakostini chaje nano hostano peliga ano pa ma yomiga achuma le alele mamashakya tibatong salit ano pa yarogmat uglilapit taga achuma le yakoki chumache pakilla
him dictionary ikbi ish apila
What did I help on?
Mm-hmm.
So I guess we created a draft.
Mm-hmm.
And we're still working on the draft. And hopefully have something to show for the end of this month. And what's the word I'm looking for? Consulting with her on some of the design aspects of it.
Hoba toba naniwaya hoba toba himona ishi hapinna. We want to get some more pictures of naniwaya and probably update the colors a little bit. I think it's gonna be nice though. Hey Brianna, apila chinna ho.
Not a whole but is
Oh yeah, naniwaya shia ho.
Kia.
Did you do something though? A long time ago.
I know maybe like colors. Ting ba ipisagama nara Lakota in talking dictionary pisa ipisa kanache hoba pinaga and here it is now.
Listen for announcements about it. It's gonna be very exciting when we We have it fully on the web. And I had one more thing. We're recruiting the recruitment for illustrators. This is not a full-time position. We have 12 or 13. It's about 13 stories that we would like to get illustrated. Some of them were illustrated 10, 20, 30, 40 years ago. And so we wanted to update the illustrations. And we're able to pay illustrators per scene. And so if you can call or come by the office and check out the 13 stories, see which ones you might be interested in trying to put down in pencil, or even if you do digital graphic design using programs like Adobe Illustrator, we can work with those. And so call me or Lynn, and we'll get an appointment set up for you to come by and check out the stories. And I think Kim might steal one of the books too to do herself.
I'll take what nobody picks.
Not story, not the. Which one do you think nobody's going to take?
The hardest one.
Actually, I feel like the person who just came by took the hardest one. That Nitakolo Okulilitima.
Oh, the Christmas story.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, I've already taken Fuck It Hitcha Luxi Itin Pakana Tok. Oh, Mayakma. Itale.
Tof.
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 Oh, May Tof.
Tough.
Tof.